Arlo Video Doorbell 2K Review. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen, with Chime 2 is a game changer for home security. With stunning 2K resolution, a wide 180 degrees field of view, and smart motion detection, it captures every detail even at night. I love the two-way audio and instant mobile alerts. The setup was simple with the included mounting kit. The added Chime 2 ensures I never miss a visitor. Pros: crystal clear 2K video, wide-angle coverage, built-in siren and night vision, wireless and Alexa/Google compatible. Cons: subscription needed for full features. The battery requires occasional recharging.